Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today because I'm starting a new series here on my channel and we are calling it Face Off. So essentially this is just similar to Sugarpill Showdown. I have been obsessively watching those lately and I was like, this would be so much fun to do with other palettes and other YouTubers. And so we're calling this Face Off. Basically what we do is we select a palette that we have in common, we select shades that we are both going to use, and we create looks using that palette and those selected shades. So today I used the Norvina palette and I am facing off with Raven Makeup and Reviews. And the shades that we selected are Incense, Eccentric, Passion, and Rose Gold to create our looks. We had to use those shades to create the looks, and what we are essentially trying to do is see if we come up with very similar looks, very different looks, which looks do the viewers prefer, so that we can determine who won this showdown. I am super excited to do this. I have many other YouTubers that I'm hoping to do this with. And if you are a YouTuber and you would like to face off with me, or if you would like to face off with somebody you know, I say go ahead and do it. This is going to be a lot of fun here, and I do hope to have many face-off videos each month because this to me is just a whole lot of fun and it showcases some of my good YouTube friends here and their many talents. So without further ado, if you would like to see how I got this look, then just continue watching. Yay! You guys, I'm super excited to do this! Yay! Okay, so I'm going in with this Eccentric and I'm using that as my crease shade, transition shade, everything shade. I'm just going in with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Incense and I'm putting this more into the crease. I'm hoping that this is going to help the transition between Eccentric and Passion happen a little easier. And now I'm going in with Passion and I'm using a fluffy brush. I'm putting this on the outer corner of my eye, kind of in a little bit because I'm planning on doing a half cut crease. Just got to blend everything together. Then I'm going to go back in with Incense and I'm just using this to kind of blend everything. I also go back in with Eccentric in a little bit, as you see here, and just kind of blend everything together because I don't want there to be a very harsh line. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm cutting my lid. Gonna cut that crease. And I'm only going about halfway. I didn't want to do a full cut crease, I just wanted a half cut crease. Kind of my favorite thing to do. Then I'm going in with Rose Gold. And now I know I've said to use your finger with this, but the reason why I'm using a brush is because I want it to go on where I want it. When I use my finger, it's a little messier. With this, I want it to be very precise. And I'm just patting it on, so I am constantly going back into the Rose Gold shade. You don't want to like brush it on. You just kind of want to pat it lightly. Because if you brush it on, you're just going to make a mess. Trust me. You don't want to make a mess. Then I'm going to take Passion and I'm just going to blend in the edges a bit. That way it's not just like this harsh line on my eye. I wanted it to kind of have a transition, if you will. Now I'm going to take the tape off, the most satisfying part of this entire thing. Also, use washi tape. It does not rip your eyes. Then I'm going in with the CoverGirl liquid eyeliner. I'm just trying to use this thing up. But I do like that I use the tape because I do have a better surface, if you will, to apply that and a line to follow to make sure that my eyeliner is actually straight and even. Danielle's going back to using the tape method, people, because it works. Oh gosh, there's just a lot of me awkwardly staring at the camera. I'm sorry. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX eyeliner pencil, and this is in, I can never remember the name of this one, but that was Brown Perfection. Then I'm taking Passion underneath my lower lash line. Then I'm going in with Dreamer. You want to know what's something funny? for some reason, I did not record me putting mascara on. I put mascara on, people. I promise. Oh man, that was funny. Okay, so I'm using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, and this is in Caramel Cake. And there you are. There's the final look. And put mascara on. I did. Thank you guys so much for watching how I created this look in my very first ever installment of the Face Off series. The next person I'm going to face off with is Nikki Nami, and I'm super excited. She is so talented at makeup, and I'm kind of shaking in my boots a little bit because I don't know what she's gonna do, but we are using, just so you guys know, the ColourPop My Little Pony palette, and I'm super excited to play with that. Again, if you are a YouTuber and you would like to face off with me, leave a comment down below saying you want to face off, and I will get in contact with you, and we will figure out which palette we will face off with. I'm so excited to do this, and I can't wait to face off with others. It's so much fun. Well, let me know if you preferred the look I created or the look Raven created down in the comments below. And yeah, just let's have fun doing this. I'm super excited about this. This was a lot of fun to do, and I'm super excited for anyone else who wants to face off, or if you're going to face off with other YouTubers that you know. I'm just so excited. I want to see what people do. I want to see what shades people pick, what looks they do, all kinds of fun. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Well, thank you again, and bye!